Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check time in another country on your Android phone. You don't have to download any application. Simply open the clock app, then on the clock app, select clock, then tap on the plus button, and then select the city that you want to check time on. For example, I want to check time in India, so I'll just select India and then select, for example, Delhi, India, and the time will be added here. It shows that it's 2.5 hours ahead of me. So that is how to check time in any city of the world on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, bye bye and take care. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.